My friend, the Crane Wives. Just got turned on to this band by a student of mine. Great suggestion. Thank you very much there. Here we go. We're going to be playing this one in the key of... just looking at it, looks like A minor, G, F. We're going to call this one in the key of C major, or A minor. It's relative minor. There is a really groovy walk down in here. You just have to wait for it. When we play this intro, we're going to have that intro. It makes an appearance. You can either play an A minor. You could wrap your finger around to put the G in the bass over here, and you could play the A minor with the G. A minor with a G sharp, and then a G in the bass, and then D. But what I say is, play the A minor, and then you're going to be playing both of these notes right here, and then you're going to be putting this down right here. Essentially, you're playing like a C augmented, but you don't need to call it that. It's just an augmented chord. So we have an A minor, C augmented, or an A minor with a major 7 in the bass. It's a major minor chord. And then we're going to play an A7 or an A7 or an A9, and then we're going to be dropping down and playing our F sharp and our D. And you can even play your low F sharp here, and then your G right there at the second fret for the A, and keep your C. Gives a pretty fantastic chord. Or just play your D major. It just doesn't fit well. I like to hear it as like a F major 7 works well too. So. Or if you're playing with another guitarist or you just like this line, play the 5th on the G string and then play the 7th on the D. Everything else is open. Keep that, walk this down. And then play B, I blanked out, G and D, and leave everything else open. That'll give you your F. If you can, wrap that F there. That works for an F major 7 or aforementioned F. 2 notes in the middle, and then everything else open. Oh, my goodness. Works perfect. The verse is going to be in the A minor walk down. A minor. So A minor with a B in the bass, C, to an F major 7, the same chord we just did. Hold it out. Oh, I've grown a mouse so sharp and cruel, it's all I can give to my dear. Oh, and when you come quick to steal a kiss, all my teeth will cut your lips, mine. E7, my dear. And then we're going to do the pre-chorus. F, G, C. F, G, E7. Then it's the 10 chorus. I'll only break. Oh, sorry. I'll always read these things and it does it twice. Then instrumental. Verse 2, same as the first. A minor, B, then C, then to an F major 7. No matter how you want to play it, it's gonna work. A minor, B, then C, then to an F major 7 sounds better than an E dominant 7. Pre-chorus, F major, G major, C, F major, G major, E dominant 7. A minor, A with the G, A with the G, F with the bass, A minor, A with the G minor, A with the B and the D, F major 7 to an E dominant 7. There is an instrumental that does the F major 7, holds it, and that does. And it does, fun tune. Chorus walks us out. What a groovy way to get out of this tune. walk that all the way through, and then at the end outro, we're gonna do the F major 7, E dominant 7, F major 7, E dominant 7, big old build up, yada 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 yada, E 7, then the quick 2 2 3 4, A minor, A with B, C, F major 7. Right on that. What a great band! I'm so stoked to find a new band and new music. So cool. Learn hundreds and thousands of songs, and music is still fun and exciting and tickling. Anywho, I hope you have a great day with this. Learn how to play these chords and have fun. Aloha.